Why are Python's private methods not actually private? Python gives us the ability to create private methods and variables within a class by appending double underscores to the name, like this, _my_private method. How, then, can one explain this? What's the deal? I'll explain this a little for those who didn't quite get that. I create a class with a public method and a private method and instantiate it. Next, I call its public method. Next, I try and call its private method. Everything looks good here, we're unable to call it. It is, in fact, private. Well, actually it isn't. Running dir on the object reveals a new magical method that Python creates magically for all of your private methods. This new method's name is always an underscore, followed by the class name, followed by the method name. So much for encapsulation, In any case, I'd always heard Python doesn't support encapsulation, so why even try? What gives?
The name scrambling is used to ensure that subclasses don't accidentally override the private methods and attributes of their superclasses. It's not designed to prevent deliberate access from outside. For example, of course, it breaks down if two different classes have the same name.
Example of a private function.
When I first came from Java to Python, I hated this. It scared me to death. Today it might just be the one thing I love most about Python. I love being on a platform where people trust each other and don't feel like they need to build impenetrable walls around their code. In strongly encapsulated languages, if an API has a bug, and you have figured out what goes wrong, you may still be unable to work around it because the needed method is private. In Python the attitude is, sure. If you think you understand the situation, perhaps you have even read it, then all we can say is good luck. Remember, encapsulation is not even weakly related to security, or keeping the kids off the lawn. It is just another pattern that should be used to make a code base easier to understand.
From Dive into Python 3.9. Private functions. Strictly speaking, private methods are accessible outside their class, just not easily accessible. Nothing in Python is truly private. Internally, the names of private methods and attributes are mangled and unmangled on the fly to make them seem inaccessible by their given names. You can access the _parse method of the mp3 fileinfo class by the name _mp3 fileinfo _parse. Acknowledge that this is interesting, then promise to never, ever do it in real code. But private methods are private for a reason, but like many other things in Python, their privateness is ultimately a matter of convention, not force.